How to use Airtable for team collaboration. Hello friends, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can use Airtable for team collaboration. Using Airtable for team collaboration can enhance your team's productivity and streamline your workflows. And here is how to do it. The first step is to log in into your Airtable account and then select a base, okay? So after selecting a base or creating a base, the next step or the next thing to do is to set up your workspace. Yes, you have to create a workspace in Airtable that serves as the central hub for your team's project and database. So if this is the airspace and you've created it, customize it to suit or fit your needs. Then after doing that, the next thing to do is to share and invite your team members. By moving to the top right side of the screen, clicking on share icon, you can see the different ways of sharing through email invite, through creating link, or by sharing publicly. Okay, so once you've done that, through email, once an email is sent, you can also grant them permission if you want them to just be editors, select that, send email out, and then once they've accepted it, they will be collaborators and they'll be your team members. Then the next thing to do is to set up your basis. Okay, so let's go back to the workspace. Now this is the workspace. So the next step on using Airtable for team collaboration is to ensure that each of your bases are being organized in such a way that you can identify them for different projects or departments. Okay, each base can have multiple tables for various data types. So for example, you can see a table here for content calendar, for events planning. So you can have other things like budget, you can have other things like projects, work. It is to just ensure that each base is organized in such a way that your team members can easily navigate through and know what they can do. And then the next thing is to customize your views in your base. So let's go back to the base, customize your views. To customize your views, by the left side, okay, let's wait for this to load first. So by the left side, you can see the views. So you can just customize your views. You can make it grid, calendar, gallery, Kaban, etc. And then you can also share information into your team members. You can use extensions, all right, to assign your work, okay. And then you can also automate your workflows, etc. Just try all of this, and at the end of the day, you would be able to effectively use Airtable for team collaboration. Thanks for watching and have a good day.